Okay. Let's go.
Ikaw.
Talon ka.
Wala.
Cody, look! A cabin!
Oh, yes! Sweet shelter!
Saan to?
Same colors repel, different colors attract! I got it! I got it!
Abot na eh. Pero hindi yan yung hahatakin ko. Ikaw yata dyan.
Dapat pa ako dyan.
Abot yan.
Gag.
Saan ka dyan?
Dyan dapat.
Baka dito.
At dapat.
Oh? Itutulak mo
Hindi,
eh.
ito pala oh. Kailangan
Ayun pala.
pala walan.
Sige.
Lala, dito
Ah.
talaga ako.
Wait lang.
I-atake mo.
Red bat mo?
Dapat yan.
Hindi ko mahahatak. Blue to eh. Dapat dito.
Ay, oo.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Paano to? Wait lang, tawag ako.
Sige.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Baka pwede yun. Baka pwede yun, pre.
Ihahatakin mo papunta doon?
Oo. Tapos ikaw na bahala.
Puta.
Or, okay. What if?
Kaya mo yan. Hindi abot.
Mahirap.
No choice. Ikaw talaga pupunta doon. Okay, ganyan pala. Sorry.
Okay. Hindi ko kasi mahihil.
Hindi, punta ka na lang doon. Ay,
Saan?
teka lang. Di ka
Wait
ba
lang.
pwede tumawid dyan?
Wait lang.
Abot ka na ata doon. Ayun, abot ka
Wait
na
lang,
doon.
wait lang,
Abot
wait
ka na doon.
Dapat ba?
Hindi ba? Hindi, doon sa
Hindi,
kabila.
repel yan.
Sa kabila. Sa kabila. Ayun. Hindi ba abot doon?
Parang ang layo. What if? Uy!
What
Nagulat
if?
ako.
Ay,
Nagulat ako. Wait lang. Ay, hindi ako. Hindi abot ng body weight. Wait lang, tumatalon ako. Pag tumalon, wait lang. Sige, ganyanin mo lang. May naisip ako. Yun, okay, nagets ko na.
paano
Sige,
gagawin?
ganyan mo lang ha. Sige.
Oh.
Okay na, bitawan.
Ah, okay. Well played.
Ngayon ko iniisip bakit may ganun dun. Sige,
Come on, May. Can't wait to warm up.
putik na yan. Sabi ko,
Hello?
tagal ko kanina,
Oo nga, no,
ano ano
galing.
dun?
Hindi ko naisip yun.
It's the cabin we stayed in.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Sayang tulog si Omi, hindi niya ay si
Check
oh,
this out.
hindi niya nakikita yung pinanggagawa natin ko.
Put them on.
Gagi, pre. So,
I don't think
sensya
we've
na
been
talaga.
skating
So,
since
ano.
we were here.
Yung
Hindi,
lineage
okay
hindi
lang.
maganda.
I don't know why. I
Hindi,
love
okay lang.
Me too.
Hindi, yung bumalik ako, narinig ko parang
Look,
parang
Cody.
nag-ano lang.
Oh,
Nag-uusap
where's
naman
clothes?
sila maayos na.
Here you go.
skating.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya,
Awesome.
i-ano ka na lang,
Ugh,
i-depen.
I'm freezing my ass off.
Sabi ko,
I like it here.
Wala eh, ano eh.
Was it this cozy when we were here?
Hindi
Yeah.
talaga tahimik
Yeah,
dito
it's
sa bahay namin.
Just like I remember it.
As in, si Kuya lang naman yung
You
yung
wanna-
nagpapagulo ng pamilya
Wanna
namin.
hang out here for a while?
Pero kami nila
Wala.
Baba,
We
goods
should get
naman.
going.
Yeah. Yeah,
Wala.
you're right.
I know, come on.
pasensya.
What? Where are you going?
Napaka-unique ang buhay.
Race you to the bottom.
All right, you're on.
Sobrang unique.
Okay,
Siya, sobrang unique. Siya lang naiiba.
Oh, I love ice skating. I've really missed doing this.
I must have been a hockey pro in a
Oh,
previous
nabulin
life,
kita.
right? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, this ice feels great.
Perfect for skating.
Yeah, and I still got the hang of it.
So do I.
Woo-hoo-hoo! We should do this more often.
Definitely. Woohoo!
Pre, nasa ano na tayo, pre? Dragon Spine.
Dragon Spine.
Balik. Balik tayo. Dragon Spine, no?
Hey, Cody.
Pero sa Wuwa, ganito yung ano
Remember
eh.
this town?
Im,
Of course,
Sa
this is where
Wuwa.
we spent our first
Alin?
Christmas together.
Watering.
Happened here?
Ano?
Used to be so busy.
I know.
Yeah.
Where is everyone?
Mamaya.
Where are they? This town used to be like your relationship,
Hmm.
alive and fun. Yeah. But look at it now. Silent, dead, frozen. You need to wake it up from its winter sleep.
How are we gonna do that, genius? There's ice everywhere.
Use your magnets.
Magnets don't melt ice.
Exactly. But the bells in this town can break the ice. Now, break the ice and get your prize.
Para lang sa isang
Did
page,
he
no?
say we have to ring the bells?
Yeah. Ring the bells to break the ice.
Really? Where does he get these crazy ideas?
Come on, let's do it for the town.
Ngayon. May pulley. Katayin mo nga ito.
Takas.
Yun.
Mahihina ka dyan.
Oo nga eh. Diba mo? Sige. Hilahin mo ng paunti-unti. Ito. Ut. Oh. Sige, taas mo. Taas mo pa. Taas mo pa.
Here goes nothing.
Okay. Ang cute. Tunog ano? Tunog minions.
Hmm.
Oh, the sweet sound of success. Good job, us.
You got that right. We did good.
Oh, the town looks like how I remember it now.
So, yeah. Uy, oh. Yung Dragon Spine. Parang papuntang Dragon Spine na talaga. O kaya yung ano, yung sa Monster Hunter. Pag ice.
May ice
Sa
ba?
Iceborne. Yung
This
Iceborne.
place really
Ah,
is
asa
a sleeping
Iceborne.
village.
Oh,
Kaya
we
wala
missed
naman
the
ng
hustle and
Iceborne.
bustle when we were here.
It was
Tama
crowded.
Iceborne.
Had
Wala.
fun.
Ikaw ba meron ka
Hope we
ba?
can wake it up.
Di ba hindi tayo nakakuha ng
There are
Iceborne?
3 bell
Yan lang
towers.
meron.
Let's pick one and
Oh.
get started.
Hindi, nanonood kasi ako ng ano eh. Ay! Okay.
Wala.
Epic.
Saan ako
Epic.
pupunta?
A pile
Ayun
of
oh, yung
snowballs.
taas.
I might throw one or two.
Eh, yung batuhan.
Oh,
Ayun,
I'm gonna get you.
Nakikita mo? Hindi mo
Wonder if we
nakikita?
can use that crate.
A pile of snowballs.
Ayan oh.
Let's see if the old
Ito
hand
naman.
still got it.
Ewan sa'yo. Hala! Hala dahil!
Watch out, here it comes. Hee-hee! Bullseye!
Aray ko. Wala. Aray ko. Galing ah.
Oo, Lola.
Ay, ba? Bawi, bawi.
Ayaw mo no. Ayaw kumuha. Ayaw. Baka na ayaw kumuha.
Wala. Ay, putang ina, wait lang. Kako, nalaglag
Ayaw.
yung... Ito, nalaglag
Uy,
yung
ang
mga...
lutong mo.
Nalaglag yung bond paper. Tumama sa PC ko. Wait lang.
Grabe yung ingay natin sa natutulog eh, no?
Game. Wala.
Oh.
Nakuha ka na. Aray ko.
Uy, bakit kumakaliwa yung bala?
Oo nga eh.
Kumakaliwa. Kumakaliwa yung bala. Ang putik ang dayo.
Aray ko. Wala. Ay, gogo. Aray. Aray. Galing. Aray. Tara, game na. Ano gagawin dito? Ikaw ihila niya.
Oh. Oh, ako. Ako, ikaw yung ano. Akit ka dun. Akit ka.
Okay.
Wait lang. Paano Wait lang, wait. Wait lang. Okay. Papunta doon.
Dadali mo ako doon. Wait lang, double jump ako.
Ah,
Ay, wait lang. Yeah.
I can hold on to this just a little bit.
wait lang. Ano next? Wait lang. Ano next nito? Wait lang, hanap ako ng ano. Baka akit ka dito sa taas.
Aakyat niya ako.
Okay. Ay, di, wala pa.
Oo nga.
Ilipat muna kita.
Bitawan mo muna ako.
Yun. Parang yung takbo mo parang Fall Guys, no?
Oo.
Gugugaga.
Look at the
Gugugaga.
lights.
Ay, puta, nalaglag.
Feels much warmer here now.
I think I see a little marketplace. Cute.
Ay, nandun yung next. Nandito yung next. Yun o. Dalawa.
Amang awe.
Ano to? Dito. Layo naman.
Daya. Tamang parkour lang.
Wonder how else we can get up there.
Ito dito, merong ano dito. Yee! Ay, ganun lang pala yun.
Ito. May ano dito.
Aha! I think this cannon and I will get along well.
Ay, ano mo. Pero hindi ako tumidikit eh. Sabi ko. Okay. Something about you.
Whoa! Those are some slick
Sige.
moves, man!
Sige.
Ako ata dyan eh.
Hindi, di ka didikit dyan eh.
Hindi.
Hindi ka didikit dyan.
Tatalsik nga ako.
Ah. Okay.
Ikaw ata dito
Okay.
eh.
Hindi eh. Dito na ako eh. Pero sabihin ako to.
Balik ka dito. Hindi ka pwede bumalik.
Ano babalik dyan? Wala akong ano eh. Baka atakihin mo to.
Inatakay ko nung wala. Okay. Okay. Ikaw pala aakyat dito.
Oh, sabi sa'yo eh. Okay. Gets.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito pa.
Meron pa ba?
Oh, sa taas pa.
Saan taas?
Pataas ko to.
Ah, okay.
Wait lang. Papunta yata dun eh. Pag bilang pa dun.
Ay, saan ka ba aakyat?
Wait lang.
Parang wala na,
Hindi ko
wala ka
sure
nang
eh.
dadaanan.
Ah, baka dito. Wait lang, ang layo. Doon. Okay, okay. Ano mo dito? Dikitan mo dito. Ano ako?
Pwede ba dumikit ito sa kahoy? Eh,
Hindi.
bawal. Ayan.
Uy!
I am very high up. Keep the magnets coming! I don't want to fall!
Okay, akyat.
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Okay.
Hindi ako. Sige, wait lang. Dito, dito, next.
Lasa.
Abot yan, abot yan. Uy! Parang naglalaro lang.
Kaya nga.
Uy! Nahul! Ang kulit.
Gagi.
Yun. Try ko. Ito, ano to? Sige. Ah. Ikaw na dito. Sigurado ako ikaw na dito sa next. Ikaw na dito sa next.
Ay, gago, ba't di ako makaano?
Wow, this place has a great energy now.
Okay. Inikot ko lang. Ikot-ikot lang one.
Saan ba tayo papunta?
Ayan, yung may parang ilaw.
Anong ilaw? Ako,
Oh.
Oh, someone's making
Ah,
snow
yeah.
angels.
Yan ah.
I love
Oh.
doing those as a kid.
Look! The big wheel's turning!
Wow, this is some proper machinery.
Yeah, I saw the bell tower up above.
Sige. Hindi, ikutin mo yan. Sasabihin ako na naman. Hindi, turn. Wala bang blue dito?
meron.
Sige. Iyan ako na lang, tatakbuhin ko na lang. Para pag nag-turn yung blue. Sige, rotate mo. Tatakbuhin ko na lang. Sige, sige, sige. Sige. Ano bang controls yan? Sige, okay na. Sige. Sige.
Okay.
Join me up here, Cody.
Lapit ka na.
Sige. Itakbuhin ka na lang.
Hmm. Lang, pagit mo. Eh, nice food. Wait lang.
Ano?
Sino akit?
Ikaw
Ako
ata
yan,
mag-
ikaw yata akyat. Oh, punta ka na dun. Hindi mo mahatak yan.
Ano ba gagawin?
Ikaw yung akyat. Hindi, pasok ka dyan. Sa parang elevator.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Ayan, hindi mo na yung ano. Mas madali yung sa'yo ah.
Easy.
Bro.
Hey, and that's the last bell!
Rise and shine, everyone.
Hey, May, it looks like that gondola lift is working.
Hurry, let's catch it to get to the top.
Dun. Hey.
Look at all those funny
Hindi
people.
pwede tumalon.
The whole town is alive
Hindi
again.
pwede tumalon.
We made it.
Yeah, my ears are still
ba?
ringing.
Good job, though, Cody.
Maganda sana kung
You
ano,
too.
no? Yung final boss, yung squirrel ulit.
Hey, there's the shop where I got your Christmas
Squirrel.
gift.
Squirrel.
Oh, what?
Gumante.
You told me you got
Tapos
let
ikaw
go before we
naman,
got here.
ikaw naman yung ano,
I did.
magte-Tekken try.
But I left them at
Iti-jugger.
home.
Hindi ko nga naranasan yun eh, Taken.
Instead of spending money on new gifts.
Ako naman yung
I
nagte-drive.
was worried you'd be disappointed.
Of course not. I could have waited for my Christmas presents. But what happened to the gifts at home?
Oh, I hid them. Those were your presents the next year.
Smart as always, mate.
Oh, pagod ka na.
Well, hey! We got ourselves a party! Awesome!
Yeah, this is more like it.
Hey, I'm just borrowing this one!
Gago rin, makukuha ko yung mga ano. Hindi ka mawa na sombrero.
Oo nga. Huh?
Hey, Cody, do you feel the rhythm?
Oh yeah! It's bobsled time!
Paunahan.
Hey!
Oh! Oh!
Pwede ko ba?
Oh!
Hindi na.
Hindi, paunahan. Kasama na. Iwan ka na.
Hey!
Oh,
Oo.
Super Mario Kart.
Okay, that's it! Get me out
Oh,
of here,
bakit
man!
napunta tayo sa Monster Hunter?
What are you talking about?
Ano to? Dragon Spine na.
Really cool.
Oh!
Kapunta tayo sa puso.
I feel like I'm in Moby Dick!
Naging Monster Hunter bigla. Tapos ang kakalabanan natin, no? Dragon.
Saka na, Jed. Iwan ka na, Jed, ah.
Hey! Now look all the... Oh no!
Meron ba? Good.
Oh, yuckin'.
Oh, this is incredible!
Habol, Jed.
Ito na lang.
Come on.
Tapos gingerbread, no?
Top of the mountain from here.
Ginger, parang mga boss dito,
come
parang
on.
gingerbread
The
ko eh.
lighthouse will take
Parang
you to
na-
the top of the mountain. Just follow its light.
But the light's not on.
Sometimes. Yeah. The answer is hidden beneath the surface. Dive in and dive deep. That looks chilly. I don't do well in cold water.
Oh,
Pre,
naging siya.
nasa ano na tayo? Oh, gagawin natin gago. Ano na tayo, pre?
I can't
Sa
breathe.
ano?
na tayo?
Sa
Goggles,
Dominion
Cody.
Purina.
We can breathe perfectly
Saan?
fine.
Oh.
Kila Purina.
Kila
Oo,
pa rin.
ano?
Oo nga, no?
Wow, I've never
Kala ko
dived
sana
this
tayo
deep
eh.
before.
Economy eh.
Yeah, it's not chilly at all.
Hindi, di tayo lumilamay sa
Where's
Encar.
the lighthouse?
Should be close by. I wonder how it'll help us get to the top of the mountain.
Oh, parang ano tayo, nasa... Ano?
What is that
Nalaro mo
machine?
pa ba yung
I
part
think
na yun?
it's right under the lighthouse.
Kay
Ano
Morina.
to? Hindi ko tinap. Oh, parang ano, parang ano tayo, pre. Nasa steampunk.
place?
Steampunk naman.
Tapos may meet natin si ano. Si Fossa Lors.
Grabe. Nalaro mo na rin pala yung Steam, ano?
Ano lang, kalahati.
Okay,
Anong tawag doon? Sa game na yun?
Nakalimutan ko na.
Yeah, of course.
Contain, yun, contain.
Apo.
Hola! Over here! Oh, great.
Here we go.
Okay, I tell them. They're delighted you came all this way to repair their candy factory.
Say what again?
You see those generators over there? Repair them, and the sweet candy will flow again.
I see. Okay. So, don't tell me. We're just gonna bring the sweetness back into our relationship.
Of course. Without sweetness, our relationship will die.
Yeah, right. Just throw us some sweets and we'll cancel the divorce.
Sweetness comes in many forms. Man, when was the last time you thanked Cody for taking care of everything in your home?
Well,
And when have you shown May some appreciation for working overtime to support the family? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Well, there was that time when, you know...
Exactly. Now, turn on the candy production and make the sweetness flow again.
Hope you packed your toolkit.
Cute eh.
oh, I get it. The lighthouse is the candy factory. If we repair the generators, we can turn on the light.
Okay.
Follow the pipes, we get our candy.
Pumunta ako sa gitna.
Oh, I can see
Sama
some
ba ako?
shadow moving down there.
Pwede. Ang bab.
Gago, may malaki.
Pre, ano yan?
not get a friendly feeling from this fish.
Bating yan.
Yung angler
There's
fish.
no way to fix this leak with our hands.
Wait lang, paano to?
Help me with this wrench, Cody.
Saan?
Paano to? Wait lang ah. Hinahanap ko pa yung ano eh. Ren, ibig sabihin nasa taas.
Curious ako.
Pakita kaya ako.
Curious ako.
Okay.
Ba't ikaw
I think I
nakain?
just lost a few years there.
Ikaw
Hindi ako
nakain?
talaga nahabol niya.
Gago ko yung nakita, ikaw kinain.
Wait lang. Wait lang, di ba magagalaw? Ah, dito. May magnet dito sa baba mo. May magnet sa baba.
Anis. Basic. Alam ko na gagawin ko dito. Baka ganito.
May kukunin oh. Bye. Okay ko. Kailangan natin magbuhat to.
Hindi kailangan makain to. Kakainin niya to.
Ito oh. Meron.
Saan? Pati niya?
Yan. Kailangan natin buhatin doon.
Hindi, tulak mo na lang. Para mas madali.
Bigat kaya?
Saan to dadalhin?
Wait lang. Wait lang, pre.
Sige, dali mo
Malapit
na dito.
dito.
Saan ba dadalhin? Meron pa
Wait
dito.
lang.
Takot ka dyan. May inalang yun.
Nakikita niyo eh.
Okay lang yan. Madali lang na maiwasan.
Nakuha ko na. Papunta.
Okay.
Okay. Ngayon, paano to?
Hindi ko alam.
Paano to? Wait lang. Pagka ano, baba mo. Sino bababa? Ikaw ako.
Righty,
Yan.
tighty.
Okay. Ikutin.
Uh-oh.
Okay lang, wait lang.
Oh, I was not a fan of that.
Kung dikit ako kaya sa buntot.
Smooth. Sige.
Wala. Hina. Saan ba natin dadalhin to?
Wait lang. Yun, oh. Nandun. Saan? Forward na.
Ship ka na para mabilis.
Sige. Baba. Baba.
Right is the right way. Right? Just one more.
Ano lang.
But first,
Wait lang. Okay. So, okay.
hey, it's working.
Isa pa lang pala yun.
Look at that candy.
It's yummy.
Enough to give you toothache. Let's find another one.
Ano yun, ma? Ano yun, ma?
Saan tayo next? Dito.
Ano? Oh. Pataas.
Note to self: follow pipes, activate pipes.
Buta naging islo.
Pirate ship. Ha, Cody always wanted to be a pirate. Oh yeah, all frozen up here. Contrast is fascinating.
Ano to? Anong gagawin dito?
Meron pang gagawin dito.
Meron, siyempre. Okay. Ayun. Okay.
Apat.
May, I think I need you to open this one for me.
On it.
Ay, ikaw pala mag-open.
Paano ka open? Okay. Ganito?
Atake.
Oh, I can see the generator. It's on the opposite side.
Sige.
Ooh, it's pretty warm in here. Ah, is that lava?
Wait lang. Makontrol. Saan ba?
Doon. Dito,
Saan ba?
dito. Ay,
Wait lang. Ang weird ng controls ko eh. Pataas pa pa ba?
yan,
Dito
yan.
ba?
Ah, halfway there.
Eto. Ikaw ata
So where do we go
magbubukasan
from
nito.
Oh, hey, mate! Try turning
Oh.
it around.
Or... Oh.
Paano ko turn na ako? Wait lang. Naisip ko pa eh. Paano ko turn? Dito? Hindi.
What happens if I spin it like...
Oh, hey, this thing's got an underside too.
Undersign. Ah, dito sa...
Ayun. Pala. Ay, tama ba?
Diyan? Hindi ko makita. Baka pataas na lang. Pataas.
Sige.
Wait lang.
Sige, malapit na.
Wait lang.
Yun.
Yun lang. Panglito yung isa eh.
Kaya nga. Kala ko guide yung sinasabi niya eh.
Look at that peppermint goodness. Only one more to go.
Pero mas madali ito kaysa sa isa. Baliktad ah.
Lumabas ka ba?
Ha?
Oo, nangyari siya.
Ano? Wait lang, naglag ako.
Wait lang, nag-ano rin ako. Parang disconnect ata ito.
Hindi, okay na.
Okay na rin ako.
Saan ba yung ano natin yun? Nalala mo.
Dito. Punta ka na dito.
Eh. Ano yan? Ano to?
Open.
Okay.
Watch the edges!
Try ko. Kailangan ninibago pa ako. Okay. Okay. Thanks. I guess. Ano nahulog? Nakakainis yun ah.
Ay, gago. Laglag ako. bumalik ako sa una. Oh, tangin na mo, babalik nga naman ako sa una.
Kaya mo yan, pre.
Is that water? What is this machine?
Here! Water pillars!
Oh, okay. Uy! Ay lang. Saan ba tayo?
Sige, ready.
Ang baba.
Oh, ang galing. Ay, gago, bumalik ulit ako sa una. Gago.
Lah, umabit ako sa...
All right, let's wind it up.
Yep, we got this!
Oh,
Ito lang mo pa.
buti pala inuna natin yung gitna eh. Yung pinakamatagal.
Oo nga.
Saan to?
Ano tayo pa rin kagaya? Ay, kagaya.
Subway Surfers eh, no? Sorry, you died.
Feels great to be above the ground again.
What a
Tagal mo
wonderful
pa ulit.
view.
Yeah, it's awesome!
The 360 view.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting dizzy.
Keep on going, Cody. Almost there.
Tayo na ako, unang lumabas ako naman yung naiwan.
Kaya nga eh. At,
Let there be light. Woo! Come on, this way. Whew. Perfect. ski lift.
I hope it leads to the top of the mountain.
Yeah, so do I.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Here we go.
Paano kayo mabilis yan? Parang ano, no?
Finally, a
Parang
breather.
Hindi mabagal.
Yeah, we have earned it.
We sure have.
You know, we haven't been on vacation since Rose was born.
Really?
Mm.
Has it been that long?
Yep. Like, why did we stop going skiing?
Well, Rose was born, and then the bills piled up.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess. Ugh. And then we had that leak in the roof, remember?
Oh, don't remind me. But maybe once we've sold the house, there might be some money left over for a weekend trip. Hey, you could take Rose to Waterland,
Yeah, it's a great idea. Yeah. She's been bugging us all summer to take her there.
and then I'll take her again when it's my turn.
Yeah, she'll get to go twice.
Double the fun.
Yeah. Yeah, double the fun.
Kasi hindi na sila bumaba, no? Mamalikulis sila sa baba.
Speaking of fun,
Let's race.
Game. Ito, paunahan ulit.
Ito na.
hold on to your lead, Cody!
Yeah, you hang on to your glasses. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Bring it on!
Wait lang. Yung sa'yo dito. Logi, may ano dun sa taas.
Tabol.
Logi ako sa'yo.
Ito na sa Jedi. Hindi ko naman nakita.
Ang bilis. Ang bilis.
Okay, finish line.
Ah, nice of you to catch up.
Ang galing.
Yeah, when did you get that fast?
Oh, I'm a speed machine.
Ano meron to?
Kabila yata ako.
Look, we can slide this thing around.
Oh, is that a monster?
Whatever it is, I'm glad it's frozen.
Ah, paliit pa rin. Ay.
Ako ko.
Ay, hindi. Dadalhin mo ako dito. Pang ano pa lang.
Oh, hey, check out the hooks above.
Hindi ka dumidikit. Ano yung mga...
Ito makakakit dito. Pata. Eh, wait lang. Okay, pasakay muna ako.
Ano? Saan papunta?
Doon, sagad.
Ah, okay. Sige, hold mo lang. Ipitahan ko lang. Nahulog. Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Doon, sa gilid.
Ano ulit? Eh, putang ina mo.
Gogi. Ako sa'yo.
Ayun na ako.
Incredible!
Putang ina mo.
These remains must be thousands of years old.
We got about these things, but I hope they hold up.
These were mighty creatures. We're like ants compared to them.
Wait lang. Layo naman. Layo. Layo ng ikot.
Puta. Oh, ba't ako na ako sa'yo?
Wait lang. Uy, nangyari doon. Bakit ako nahulog?
Naiiwan na bisigit.
Isang pagkakamali lang yung nangyari. Ang layo ng bullet.
Dalawang beses ako nagkamali ah.
Hindi, yung layo nung sa akin, pre, nakakainis.
Hindi yung sa akin talaga, dalawa sa akin eh. Ikaw isang beses
Dalawa,
ka na
pero
nagkamali. Wala.
Ang layo kasi nung starting, pre. Ang layo. Balik sa una.
Wala. Ako rin ang
Nagulat ako
din
dun.
Okay, finish
Hindi, mas malapit yun sa'yo eh.
Okay.
Ano ba, mga?
Hello.
Ang layo kasi.
Hello.
Oh, look! Cabin! Let's see if they
Pagkano
know
ko,
the way to the top.
pagbalik ko, nandun na siya sa ano.
Ano ba yan, Jit? Pinapsidahan ko na, Jit.
What's up? You
Kala
just
ko
opened
nga
the door
mananalo ka
of
na eh.
opportunity.
Iwan na ako eh.
Yeah.
Kala ko nga
when
rin
something
eh.
dies, something new can be born.
Whoa, whoa, wait a minute. What, are we dying now?
Not you, but your relationship.
You mean relationship with a P?
No,
Oo
relation
nga.
shit,
Dali lang.
as in shit, like caca. You need
Huh?
to rebuild your relationship into a relationship.
Okay, Mr. Crazy. Yeah, our relationship's already collapsed.
Eh?
Remember?
When something
Sorry,
collapses,
sorry lang.
something new can be built. And then the attraction can grow freely, you know?
Oh no.
Oh, yes! Let's break it, baby! Come on!
Oh, game.
Watch out, mate!
Cody! Keep on cheating!
I thought the book was speaking in metaphors! Oh, we gotta get out of here!
Keep moving!
Oh,
Oh!
so much for a pleasant trip!
Faster, Cody, or it'll kill us!
Oh, no!
And I was just having fun!
Bilis ah.
Slow down, mate!
Grabing boost yun ah.
Oh,
Ay, gago.
Grabing boost yun ah. Ang layo mo. Bumilis lalo.
Oh!
Ato. Ano boss fight na? Gandang boss.
I'm up here! Good work with your magnets! Can you fit it? Can you fit it?
Yes! I feel like crap.
No! Your attraction has grown stronger! Look! See? Now use your growing attraction to get to the top of the mountain!
Magdidikit tayo pre para ano? Para makakyat. Oh.
Wow!
Okay.
These babies are strong!
Indeed, the whole is greater than the parts. Our magnets can pull us closer.
Wait lang.
Can I get a
Ano
ride?
muna? Uy! Bakit pinindot? Ay. Alam. Sige, sige. Palit mo. Palit mo. Sige.
Oh.
Oh, I can really feel this magnet pulling towards you.
The magnet's attraction is getting stronger.
Ooh, the view is better up here.
Oh, thanks for the piggyback.
Okay.
Your magnet is pulling on my magnets.
Did you hear that, May?
Storm is coming.
Yeah,
Storm.
we should stay close to each other.
Yeah. Keep your magnet ready. I can really feel the magnetic force to you. There's the tower!
Ah, great. We just have to get up this hill. Easy.
Incoming gun!
Hey, grab onto the side.
Don't let go, Cody!
I'm losing grip. Help!
Wait lang.
Ano, abutin mo yun.
Kailangan ko makuha.
Cody! Grab onto me!
Okay.
The storm. Yeah, I'm getting swept away.
Teka lang, di gumana yung
Hold on tight, May.
No!
Give up, May. I can't do this without you. Keep going, May. We can make it through together.
Ah! Fight it together!
kapit.
The wind!
Here comes the wind. Come on, May. Through the tunnel.
Ah! The wind can't reach us here!
Daan ka na dito. Sa ilalim. Di dyan.
It's too strong!
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
There's some cover on the other
Dun
side,
crouch
May.
ka dun sa ilalim.
You can do this, Cody! Push on! We're gonna make it through this!
Oh, the tower. Just one last push.
Wait lang.
Dito.
I'm losing grip.
Ah.
Help!
Oh. Nakiyat. Wait lang. Wait lang, paano?
Ano bang pagkakapit?
The wind! Ah! Help!
Ito magkakapitan.
Punta ka sa akin.
It's too strong!
Wait lang, sobrang lakas pre. Hindi umag. lang. Isang sprint? Isang sprint ba to?
Ano bang banda? Dito.
One of us has to get to the other side!
We're gonna have to do it alone then!
Sige. Wait lang.
Hey,
Ikaw yata.
you think you can make it alone to the other side?
Ako?
Parang ikaw lang.
Hindi, kulay blue yun eh. Kulay blue yun eh. Ikaw yung makakapagano dyan eh.
Hindi, doon ata sa gitna eh. Kaya ata doon sa gitna.
Oh, getting swept away!
Ang gitna. Hindi
Wala
ko
po,
makita. Ano yung gitna? Wait lang. Sagagi.
Sumama ko.
Uy, matigas eh.
Alam ko na. Sige, magano ka. Eh, puto.
Oh, getting swept away!
Sige. Sige.
Ano kaya yun?
It's too deep!
Talon ka muna, tapos kapahata ka din.
I'm losing!
Iwan mo! Iwan mo! Kailangan mahatak mo yung blue para maka ano mo dun.
Hindi, punta ka dito. Oh my God.
Oh, getting
Yan.
swept away!
It's too strong!
Ganon din yan eh.
Wait lang.
I'm losing!
Basta makapasok ka
Okay.
lang dito sa gitna eh. Safe ka na eh. Try kaya natin dito.
It's too strong!
Ay, wala. Ayun o.
I'm getting swept away!
Siguro timing yun. Siguro matatalon ka tapos papahatak ako sa'yo.
Ay,
I'm
God.
losing grip!
Ano, parang di ba pagkatalon mo, tapos papahatak ako pupuntang gitna.
Sige.
Kaya may kulay may gitna. Yun lang,
It's
late,
too strong!
late,
Sabay-sabay.
late yung ano.
I'm losing grip!
Uy! Okay ka na. What if i-sprint mo to pag gitna, tapos na-try ko mo gano'n?
Oh, I'm getting
Wait lang, hindi.
away!
Hindi, masyadong ano yan. Masyadong,
I'm losing grip! Help! Oh, I'm getting swept away!
hirap na ito.
Dito. Try
Karate.
natin. Dito ka. Try natin na ano.
Ah.
Spam natin yung ano, yung magnet. Dito spam. Eh, wala. Wala. Papatay.
Mahirap pa.
Tara, spam natin yung magnet dito.
Sige.
It's too strong!
Sabay tayo.
Oh, you're getting swept away!
Ang hirap. Ang hirap nito.
I'm
Wait lang,
losing
paano?
grip! Help!
Ano, ikaw mag-spam? Yeah.
Uy! Malapit na, malapit na. Pati pagtalon mo. Hindi lang, wait lang.
Hindi rin gumagana yung dash.
Wait lang. Abot mo ba? Saan yung pinakaabot?
Oh, you're getting swept away!
Abot mo ba dito yung ano?
Alin?
Yung kulay blue?
I'm losing grip!
Pag hinawakan ko, dito rin yung ending ko.
Hmm.
Ay, hindi. Alam ko na.
It's
Ay.
too strong!
Ano? Ano?
Ikaw ata hatak, kaya... Ikaw ata hatak doon. Ay, ano, ikaw yung makakapasok doon. Umapit ka lang sa, ano, sa blue. I-repel ka niya,
Hindi ako makakapit sa blue.
Sige
Oh.
lang, try mo. Wala?
Ano? Ayoko wala.
Bakit wala?
Kulay blue yan eh.
Eh,
It's too strong!
What if sa kabila?
Oh, you're getting
gago ka.
away!
Ba't pinalayo
Wait lang.
tayo? Gago,
Uy, yun layo mo.
I'm losing grip! Help!
Bot mo, ha? Dito sa kabila.
Oh, you're getting
Tangin na ba't napunta ko
Hirap,
dito,
ah.
gago? Kailangan
Ang
kita
layo.
dito eh.
Oh. Ay, hindi. Hindi pwede mo na doon. Ayun, abot pala ako dun eh. Yun lang. Kapit ako. Yun.
Oh, you're getting swept away!
Try mo uli kumapit doon. Wala talaga.
Hindi nga, hindi nga pwede.
Ikaw kasi
Ikaw na yan.
sinabing hint eh, di ba? Ikaw lang makakadaan.
Ay, hindi, mali kasi yun. Ako makakadaan, no? Oh.
It's too strong!
Lapit na.
Pero kailangan ka ng tutuhihila dun.
I'm losing grip! Help!
Kailangan ko ng hihila dun.
Gago, ba't ang layo nang napapalta? Dito na naman ako.
Okay. Oh.
Gago.
Oh! Kapit ako. Sige.
Paano gagawin?
Kailangan ba sabay? Kailangan ba sabay? Sabay tayong tumalon? Kasi sabay na sabay.
Hindi ko rin alam. Try natin.
Sige. Pagdating na dun...
I'm losing grip!
Hindi. Sige, ano. Siguro, pagdating na natin dito sa gitna, malapit sa gitna, magdidikit tayo dun. Siguro lang.
Ah, sige.
O sige, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you're getting swept away!
Hindi kita mahila.
Ay, gago. Ay po.
Oh, you're getting swept away!
Paano?
Okay, 1.
Okay.
Pag papunta ng gitna, kailangan makapagdikit tayo.
Sige, ikaw mag-click ka.
Sige.
Ikaw magdidikit sa akin.
Sige.
Ah,
1, 2, 3.
I'm losing grip!
Uy! 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 Malapit na yun. Malapit na yun. Nandun na tayo. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I'm getting swept away!
Nakakatalon ako pagkadikit eh. Makakatalon ako eh. Kailangan ko lang makaabot dun sa medikit na.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Ayun lang. Ang layo. Hala. Ako naman. Hala. Okay. Yabot. Lapit ka pa.
It's too strong!
Hindi, doon ka
Uy,
umakyat ka na
bakit?
sa, ano, sa taas ng kahon.
Wait lang. Download na tayo ng tutorial. Tumatagal.
I'm getting
Malapit na ako doon, no?
Timing. Baka ikaw talaga yun.
Yun, no?
losing
Sige, diyan ka.
Uy!
Layo mo.
Uy! Hala! Hala! Okay. Salamat. Wait lang. Ang layo.
Okay, tungkol ka ulit dyan. Akit ka ulit dyan sa box. Sabay diba?
I'm getting
Kailangan matimingin lang.
away!
Ah. Sa akin ka kakapit, ah. Again.
Oh.
Yun!
Oh. Okay.
Ready. Ako.
Well played. Well played.
Tayo na, natagalan tayo dun, ah.
Tagal.
Cody,
Ang
there!
hirap nung ano. Ang hirap niyan timingan, pre.
Oo nga, eh. Walang niya yan. Ubus oras yun, ah. Doon na tayo natagalan.
Oh,
Sa lahat.
Oh, we made it!
parang boss level na yun. Pre, ang tagal ko.
Yeah!
Ah, yan.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Ang hirap niya ano kasi may parang wind up pa yung ano,
It's windy
yung
out there.
pagdikit. May wind up pa na para isang segundo.
Kaya nga, eh.
Higher.
May, look.
Wow. Look, it's so pretty.
Yeah, we brought the sweetness back.
Now I know why that book sent us here.
Yeah. This is where I proposed. I was so nervous.
I know. And that's what made it special.
Really?
You know, how you forgot your whole speech.
It was the worst proposal in the history of proposals.
No, Cody. I didn't care about the words. It was the way you handled it. Without trying to hide how scared you were. It was brave.
La 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 la
Nakakaasar din yun.
Okay na eh.
What
Yun
a
ang sumingit
beautiful
eh.
moment, you two. You're making great progress. We got more work to do, though.
Wow.
Are you ready? Let's get going!
Uy, nasa na yung ano, papel? Ano bang chapter mo pa right now? Para malaman ko rin.
Chapter 1. Alayo pa tayo. Chapter 1 pa lang yun.
2 chapters. Ah, 9 chapters lahat.
Tayo, pang
Dalawa na lang, pre. Dalawa na lang, garden at saka attic. 7 na to eh, chapter 7. Nasa tayo sa chapter 7.
Kala ko dalawang chapter na lang kay ni Omi nun eh. Hindi pa pala.
Oh, gitna pa pala yun.
Aha! Letter B's number 2. Congratulations. Isn't this exciting?
Yes, we're thrilled.
Good. Now, how do you find your purpose in life? Through, wait for it, passion.
Yeah, I still don't see the connection here.
Because you've lost your passion, Cody. The passion that lights the path to your purpose in life. Passion, path, purpose, passion, you know, huh?
No.
Maybe he's talking about you wanting to be a gardener.
Good, mate. Tell him, tell him.
Well, we partly moved here because you wanted to build your own garden. And then you just let it go. I never understood why.
Well, I mean, firstly, you never really encouraged me, like, at all. And secondly, you never really seemed to appreciate what I did.
Oh, so now it's my fault? You see, this is why we can't live together.
You see? That's why I gave up.
I do see. But look what it did to your relationship. Cody, it's time to awaken. Passion. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Chapter 8, isa na
Look, it's
lang.
my garden. Look how everything has grown.
No, Cody, it's you who shrank.
Oh, yeah, but everything still looks beautiful. Oh. And all thanks to my painstaking groundwork, I might add.
Oh, really? Painstaking groundwork, huh? Look at this. Come on.
What is that? I didn't plant that. What is it?
Yeah. Use your head, and you will understand soon enough.
My head?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, and May, this time you will encourage and support his passion. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, just
Okay.
watch where you point those things.
Yeah, you just watch your head.
Ano sabihin, boss yan?
That purple thing is blocking our way.
It looks quite ugly.
Yeah, whatever it is, we need to get rid of it.
Okay,
Sakay ka ulit.
okay. Ay! Hurt mo.
Yeah. Attack.
Ayan. Good.
Wow, ganda ng garden.
Another one of these.
Taray ko.
Oh, that's better. It looks a little dry in this pot. Oh, that was fast.
Maganda
Hey,
ko.
why don't you just jump right into the pot? Be one with your
Yeah,
garden.
What?
I'm thinner!
Cody?
What
Is
the
that you?
heck? Ano yan?
Yeah! This is amazing!
Ikaw din.
Ano ba yun?
Mag-ano ka, control ka. Jump control.
Help me over! I can't magically transform
Ay.
into a flower.
Ikaw yun.
Pwede ba kita kunin? Ay, hindi. Meron palang ano dito. Oh, bababa ako.
Saan?
Thanks, Cody!
Walang.
Man, what happened to my greenhouse?
Oh, it looks terrible.
That is what happens when you abandon your passion. It gets infected.
Infected?
That purple stuff is everywhere.
And it will keep spreading unless you stop it. So, Cody, will you nurture your passion? Or will you slowly let it die? Ha! Ha!
No. May, let's take this purple stuff out.
Let's do it.
Vámonos!
Parang pwede ko magiging
I
mabilis
can't
lang to.
believe how much it spread.
That's how infections work.
I know, but how can it take over this fast?
It must be really
Yan.
powerful.
We have to save the garden before it dies.
Cute.
Putang ito. Hindi masinigyan ang puro.
Transfer.
Earth are those?
Transfer
I
to
don't
zone.
care.
Di sa
You're not getting past me.
Parang gago lang.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Ang kulit naman.
Well, that'll teach him to stay away from my garden.
You nailed it, Cody.
Oh, yeah. Cactus style.
Ito po, ano ako
Fake
nito.
hero game.
Padilig ako nito.
Oh.
Wow, you're so pretty, Cody.
I know, right?
Saan ako pumunta?
Oh, and I think I can help you across.
Oh?
Ay, ikaw pala. Pwede ka ba sumakay dito? Hindi.
Oh? Hindi yata. Hindi, papatamaan mo yata yung ano. Yung butas dun.
Oh, I think this is as far as I can stretch.
Hindi, hanggang dito lang siguro. Ay, putang ina. Hindi ka pwede doon.
Hindi.
Oh, I can't anymore. No more.
Yun na may skill ka, throw leaves. Hindi ka pwede bumaba? Ah! Yun pala yun, pre.
Doon pala yun, gago.
Balik ka ulit. Balik ka ulit. Sige, leave. Wait lang. Oh.
Okay. Hindi
Putek,
magla...
ang bagal nito. Ang bagal nito. Sige. Wait lang.
Atras.
That looks thirsty.
Hanggang dito na lang ako.
Ayun na. Okay. Nasa gitna. Tapos tagay ka dahon. Kung makalimutan maglagay ng dahon. Wait lang. Sige. Uy! Oops! Bigla ano pa? Sige.
Kulang pa?
Hindi. Kaya yun. Hindi. Kaya yun. Naglalag lang ako. Naglalag
Hindi,
ako.
kulang
Papala
pa.
na.
Ang lapit ka pa. Oh.
Sige. Salamat.
Oh, diba? Hindi ka na naglalag.
Okay. Pwede ka na mag-slide. Hey. Hey.
Oh, it really is everywhere. How could I let this happen?
It'll be fine. We just have to chop it all up, right?
Well, I hope it's that simple.
Wait lang. Okay.
Hanggang dito na lang ako, no?
Oh. Sandali! Wait lang. Mukhang dito na tayo magpa-pause ha. Kaya patulog na rin ako eh.
So, sige lang. Okay lang.
Sige.
Bukas na lang.
Sige. Oh,
Sige.
tapos na to bukas.
Hi.
Wait lang ma.